In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to properly remove a website from your GoDaddy domain, whether you're looking to tidy up your account or preparing for a website switch. This step-by-step guide will help you do it the right way. First things first, head over to the GoDaddy website. It's a good idea to bookmark their homepage for quicker access in the future. Once you're on the site, locate and click on your name in the top right corner. This will bring up a drop-down menu where you'll find the My Products option. Click on that and you'll be directed to a page that lists all the products you currently have under your account. Next, you're going to want to click on the website that you wish to remove. This should be highlighted in your list of products. Once you've accessed the details of the site, look for your account icon or avatar at the top right of the page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Renewals and Billing. This section is crucial because it allows you to manage your billing and renewals effectively. In Renewals and Billing, you'll see a list of all your current subscriptions. Look for the 3 vertical dots next to the website you want to remove. Clicking on these dots will reveal an option that says Turn Off Auto Renew. You'll want to click on this as part of ensuring that your subscription won't automatically renew. Afterwards, proceed by selecting Delete My Product. Confirm the deletion, and this will begin the process of removing the website from your account. Once you've done this, navigate back to the top menu bar and select the Domain Names, Websites, Hosting, and Online Marketing Tools section. Here, you'll once again click on My Products to make sure everything is in order and that the website in question is no longer listed among your active items. To ensure that you finalize the process, click on the highlighted areas within your product list. You'll then notice an option labeled Store. Select Settings from there, which will guide you to a page where you can double-check that everything has been correctly updated. Finally, make sure to click on Payments to review any billing cycles or outstanding payments associated with this site. This step ensures that loose ends are tied up and no unforeseen charges occur at a later date. And there you have it, your website should now be successfully removed from your GoDaddy account. This process keeps your account streamlined and prevents unnecessary renewals or expenses. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content.